There is a new variation of the whole foods plant-based diet that is now including no oils at all, stating they're all inflammatory and all highly processed, even olive oil and coconut oil. What is your take on this?
That it's dumb. Am I allowed to say that? Um, okay, so the whole foods plant-based diet is the brainchild of T. Colin Campbell, who wrote the China study. There have been many fantastic, uh, you know, takedowns of the China study. I don't need to rehash that here. Um, and that goes like counter to such a huge body of scientific evidence showing benefits to olive oil, to canola oil, like vegetable oils are beneficial. Like, yes, we don't want to eat a high fat diet, but a low fat diet is also harmful to our health, right? So, and very interestingly, the health risks of a high fat diet and a low fat diet have a huge amount of overlap. There's a lot of things that both too much and too little fat increase the risk of. Like they both increase risk of cardiovascular disease. So to be afraid of fat, I mean, certainly there are medical situations where a low fat diet has been shown in clinical studies to be potentially therapeutic. And if your doctor says, I want you to go on this low fat diet for ABC reason, like that's a different situation. But recommending it for the general public, recommending it's probably being recommended for weight loss too, right? Like this is all probably focused just on weight loss, pretending that losing weight is the same thing as getting healthy because uh that's what diet culture teaches us. I am so I it frustrates me to no end that A, diet culture and the people who are benefiting from the diet and weight loss industry are doing so by taking advantage of our insecurities and preying on our insecurities and also taking advantage of the fact that this is nutritional sciences is not something we're taught in school, right? Most people's knowledge base about nutritional sciences is extremely limited. So taking advantage of us not having a deep enough knowledge base to be able to identify misinformation while being bombarded at all times from society that we don't look the right way, right? Like, and then conflating as a certain composition ideal as healthy when that's not like, yes, you can definitely be thin and healthy at the same time, but you can also be healthy and not thin, and you can definitely be thin and not healthy, right? Like those words mean different things. They are different words. And we are constantly being sold trading health for weight loss. And this is like another one of those, right? If we're avoiding healthy fats for weight loss goals, we are increasing our risk of long-term health problems. Once again, sacrificing health for weight loss. And that is that is not part of even the fine print in these sales pitches, right? We are being told that if you lose weight, you'll be healthier. And that is unequivocally not true. So it is, to me, it is like a peak example of the harm of diet culture, the harm of the diet and weight loss industry, uh, taking advantage of people, um, and selling them misinformation. It's yeah. Oh no, I stand by my initial response. It's dumb.